Hello and welcome to Speak Easy English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence and joy. I'm Tom.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Sarah. How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you. And you look happy today.
I am. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. But first, everyone, if you're enjoying our podcast, please hit that subscribe button.
Yes. And don't forget to click the like button. It really helps us grow.
And please share this episode with anyone learning English. We appreciate your support so much.
We really do. Okay, Sarah, are you ready to begin?
Absolutely. So what's our topic today?
Today we're going to practice something very important. How to introduce yourself in English.
Oh, this is such a useful topic. Everyone needs to know this.
Exactly. When you meet new people, start a new job, or join a new class, people always ask, "Tell me about yourself."
That's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Right? So today we'll make it simple and natural. We'll show you exactly what to say.
Perfect. Should we start with the basics?
Yes, let's start easy. Sarah, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. S-A-R-A-H.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. So, next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I'm from the United Kingdom.
The UK. That's wonderful. I'm from the United States.
The United States? Great. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a medium-sized city. It's not too big, not too small. What about you?
I live in a small town near the coast. It's very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's small, but comfortable. It has a nice backyard.
A backyard. That's great. I live in an apartment. It's on the 3rd floor.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's quite small, but it's cozy. I like it.
Good. So now we know names and where we live. What's next?
Let's talk about age. Tom, how old are you? If you don't mind sharing.
Not at all. I'm 32 years old.
32. Okay, I'm 27.
27 is a great age. Now, here's an important question. What do you do, Sarah?
I'm an English teacher. I teach online, and I love it.
That's wonderful. I'm also a teacher. I create content for English learners.
Perfect. We both love helping people learn English.
We do. Okay, let's move to family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Katie. She's younger than me. She's 23.
That's nice. I have two brothers. Both are older than me.
2 brothers. What do they do? That is
One is an engineer and one is a musician. Very different.
different. What about your parents, Tom?
My mother is a nurse and my father is retired. He was a teacher too.
A teacher. It runs in the family.
It does. What about your parents?
My mom is a librarian and my dad works in a bank.
That's lovely. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Charlie.
Charlie. What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. Very friendly and very energetic.
I love golden retrievers. I have a cat. Her name is Bella.
A cat. See, we're different. A dog person and a cat person.
Exactly. Bella is gray and white. She's very calm and loves to sleep.
That sounds like a typical cat. Charlie never stops moving.
Dogs have so much energy. Okay, now let's talk about favorites. This is the fun part.
I agree. Tom, what's your favorite food?
That's hard to choose. I love many foods, but I think my favorite is sushi.
Sushi. Excellent choice. I love sushi too. My favorite food is Italian food, especially lasagna.
Lasagna is delicious. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple. I think it's elegant and beautiful.
Purple is a lovely color. Mine is blue, like the ocean.
Blue is calming. I like it. What's your favorite animal?
Easy. Cats. Because of Bella.
Of course. Mine is dogs. especially golden retrievers like Charlie.
Makes sense. Now let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun, Sarah?
I love reading books. I read almost every day.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels and travel books. What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar. I've been playing for 10 years.
10 years. That's impressive. Do you play in a band?
No, just for fun at home. I also like hiking on weekends.
Hiking sounds wonderful. I like watching movies, especially documentaries.
Documentaries are great for learning. Do you like sports?
I like swimming. I swim twice a week. Do you play any sports?
I play tennis, sometimes with friends. It's good exercise.
Tennis is fun. Okay, now let's talk about things we don't like. This is interesting too.
Good idea. Is there a food you don't like, Sarah?
Yes, I don't like mushrooms. I don't like the texture.
Mushrooms? Really? I love mushrooms. I don't like very sweet desserts.
Not a fan of sweet things?
A little is okay, but too much sugar is not for me. What about activities? What don't you like?
I don't like waiting in traffic. It's so frustrating.
Everyone hates that. I don't like getting up very early in the morning.
Are you not a morning person?
Not really. I prefer evenings. I feel more awake then.
I understand. I'm the opposite. I love mornings.
See? We're learning so much about each other.
We are. This is exactly what happens when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself."
Right. You share a little about your life, your likes, your personality.
And it doesn't have to be long. You can keep it short and simple.
Exactly. For example, "Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from the UK. I teach English and I love playing guitar."
Perfect. Or, "Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm from the US. I'm a teacher and I love reading mystery novels."
Simple, clear, and friendly. That's all you need.
And you can choose what to share depending on the situation.
Right. At work, you might talk about your job and experience.
At a social event, you might talk about hobbies and interests.
The important thing is to be natural and friendly.
Smile, make eye contact, and be yourself.
That's the best advice. Don't try to be perfect. Just be real.
I think we've covered everything. Name, age, home, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
That's a complete introduction. Listeners, you can use these questions to practice.
Yes. Practice with a friend or even practice alone in front of a mirror.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Absolutely. Well, I think our time is almost up today.
Already? Time flies when you're having a good conversation.
It really does. Before we finish, we have a favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speak Easy English.
And click the like button. It helps other learners find us.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
We want to help as many people as possible.
Now, here's our question for you. We want you to practice.
Go to the comment section and introduce yourself. Write 2 or 3 sentences.
For example, "My name is Tom. I'm from the UK. I love playing guitar."
Or, "My name is Sarah. I teach English. My favorite food is lasagna."
Keep it simple. We would love to read your introductions and learn about you.
Yes, we read every comment. It's so fun to meet our listeners.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you. Keep practicing and stay confident.
We'll be back soon with another helpful lesson.
Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Keep speaking easy.